Hey guys, my name is Pumpkin Lord and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Phantom Forces. Now, literally I just recorded the reacting to try not to get scared thing with Reality Gaming, or lols. So, I'm still pretty shooken up by it, so I'm just gonna play some Phantom Forces and calm down. Whoa, okay. Where is everyone? I recently just got this shotgun, and it's actually really good. I've only killed one person with it so far. But it's kind of like, it's a fast-firing shotgun, and the damage is pretty good. Oh no, it's that hill. I'm gonna chuck a nade down there. You never know, you might need a nade. If there were people there... Oh, are we on the orange team? Hello? Oh god, we gotta defend the hill. Chuck a nade over there. Colby. Get down, get down. Oh my god, I actually got someone. That's so funny. Take your scar. Thank you. Need to use it. Oh no. Stay back. Come on. Whoa. If I sound a bit ill, like a dying goose, it's because bit tired. But I was like, no, I have to record this video. And I can go die in a hole. Hill. I will come for you now, Hill. Charge with your swords! Bum, ba bum. I love this melee weapon. It's so cool. Who wouldn't want a massive sword as a melee weapon? Hello, friend. Can't you see my beautiful aim? Ugh, M60s, they're just too OP. But I just can't use them, because I suck at using them. Ha ha ha. Perfect angle. Now I just chuck a nade. God, that was perfect. Did I get someone? Seriously? No? Okay. Chuck another one then. I'll keep throwing grenades until I get someone. Well, that was interesting. Because that's logic. Grenades do that. In case you guys didn't know. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, bro. Sit down. Damn it. This game is frustrating sometimes. Right, I'm going to switch. Yeah, I'm going to go M4. M4. Ooh. Ooh. Ha 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 ha. Teabag, teabag. What? Come on. Come on. Damn it. Why is everyone... Ugh, everyone is trash. Wait, did I get the deagle? What? Since when did I get the deagle? I'm not complaining. Deagle's amazing. Right. Go deagle time. Look at that reload. That is beautiful. That's the most beautiful pistol reload I've ever seen. So I'm going to deagle some people now. It's deagle time. MP5. No, I'm going to keep the deagle. I feel like an American cop. You know, because this is the kind of thing they use. You can't just abandon now. Someone's over there. Whoop. Just chuck a little grenade over there. Whoa, okay. I'm allowed to chuck grenades at you, but you're not allowed to chuck grenades at me. Oh, it's so inaccurate. Alright, we're going to have to storm this place. I'm pulling out my M60. Support M60. Okay, prepare to be destroyed, lads and lasses. Well, I got one guy. I was holding my breath there. Sorry the video that I made was a bit short. I did want to do another one, but Hugo was like, no. Definitely not. Haha, got ya. Now we stay still. Boom. The reload for this is also really cool. Okay. Right, let's jump in, throw a nade, and get out. Nope, we're just gonna storm them. Okay. Look at how many 25s I got for suppressing enemies. That's so funny. Let's suppress again. I should probably get a silencer on this thing, because I imagine everyone else is. Jeez, this thing has like no damage. Let me spawn on this guy. Dude, why are you looting up? We must storm them. No! I was beaten by an M60. They got me, and I had an M60. They beat me. They had a better M60. This game is rigged. You think you can stop me with your melee weapon, bro? I have, like, an MG42 or an M60. You are not able to stop me with your trashy melee weapon. When I have a sword! What? No, my sword! No! My sword is gone. Oh no. That's depressing. Everything I worked for that sword, and it's gone. I'm sad now. Why can we not just get this base? I need something where I can, like, take on the entire place. A sniper. It's perfect. Because that will destroy, like, 50 people blocking a base. Just use my logic. It'll help you every time. I need to equip my deagle on everything. Boop! Okay. Right. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I didn't die straight away. That is amazing. I'm happy. Is that a double-barreled shotgun? Damn it. Hello? Maybe a sniper isn't the best choice. An assault rifle. Yeah, that'll do much better. Let's use an assault rifle. Capture, reload, 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 reload. Damn it! Ugh, it's painful. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, press the like, and hope you have a good day. Goodbye.